Chapter 5. Coordinate Geometry. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. They form a Cartesian plane. Coordinate geometry is the algebraic approach to geometry. Now we are going to learn about how to find the equation of a given line using coordinate system. For that we have to learn some concepts. First is inclination of a line. Here L is the line in the xy plane and theta is the angle made by the line L with positive direction of x-axis. Thus theta is the inclination of a line where 0 is less than or equal to theta and theta is less than or equal to 180. When x-axis makes an angle of 0 degrees with positive direction of x-axis. Therefore, inclination of x-axis is 0 degree and inclination of y-axis is 90 degrees. If the line L parallel to line M parallel to line N and if inclination of line N is theta, then inclination of line L and line M is also theta. So, when we want to find out the slope of a line, slope is equal to vertical height upon horizontal distance. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle where angle CAB is equal to 30. That is, angle CAB is equal to theta. That means theta is the angle which plane makes with the horizontal. Therefore, tan theta is equal to BC upon AB, that means vertical height upon horizontal distance, and therefore slope is equal to tan theta. The slope is denoted by M. Now here, slope of line AB is equal to tan theta is equal to M. If line AB coincides with x-axis, then naturally the inclination will be 0 degrees and therefore slope of line AB is equal to tan theta, that is equal to tan 0, that is equal to 0, and therefore slope of x-axis is 0. As the inclination of y-axis is 90 degrees and tan 90 is not defined, therefore slope of y-axis is not defined. Now here, line PQ is parallel to line AB and therefore slope of line PQ is equal to slope of line AB and therefore slopes of parallel lines are equal. Now we'll see the slope of a straight line passing through 2 points. Let P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 be any 2 points on the line L. So slope of line PQ is equal to y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. If x1 is equal to x2, then slope is not defined and so that line will be y-axis or parallel to y-axis. Now the question. Using slope concept, check whether the following points are collinear or not. The points are A 7 8, B minus 5 2 and C 3 6. So let A 7 8 means x1 y1, B minus 5 2 is x2 y2 and C 3 6 is x3 y3. Now slope of line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is equal to 2 minus 8 upon minus 5 minus 7, that is equal to minus 6 upon minus 12, that is equal to 1 upon 2. Now slope of line BC is equal to y3 minus y2 upon x3 minus x2, that is equal to 6 minus 2 upon 3 minus minus 5, that is equal to 4 upon 8, that is 1 upon 2. Now slope of line AB is equal to slope of line BC and Point B is the common point to both lines, and therefore points A, B, C are collinear. Next one. If the slope of the line joining points k minus 3 and 4, 5 is 1 upon 2, then find the value of k. Let P is k minus 3 and Q is 4, 5. So slope of line PQ is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is 5 minus minus 3 upon 4 minus k, that is 8 upon 4 minus k. But the slope is 1 upon 2 and therefore 8 upon 4 minus k is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore 16 is equal to 4 minus k. Therefore k is equal to 4 minus 16. Therefore k is equal to minus 12. Here line AB is parallel to y-axis such that its distance from the y-axis is a, and therefore x is equal to a is the equation of line AB. Here line CD is parallel to x-axis such that its distance from x-axis is b, and therefore the equation of line CD is y is equal to b. Now equation of a line in slope-intercept form. Here line L intersects a y-axis in a point A such that A is 0, C. Now slope of the line L is m, and let Pxy be any point on the line L. So slope of line L means slope of line AP is equal to m, and m is equal to y minus c upon x, and therefore y is equal to mx plus c is the standard equation of a line in slope-intercept form, where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. But if c is 0, then the line passes through the origin and we get y is equal to mx. So the equation of a line passing through the origin and having slope m is y is equal to mx. If the coefficient of x is positive, then the line is in the first and third quadrant. And if the coefficient of x is negative, then the line is in the second and fourth quadrant. Next question. Find the slope and y-intercept of the line having the equation y is equal to minus 3x minus 5. The standard equation is y is equal to mx plus c. So slope m is equal to minus 3 and y-intercept is equal to c is equal to minus 5. Then next question. If 4 minus 3 is a point on the line 5x plus 8y is equal to c, then find c. The point is 4 minus 3, that means x is 4 and y is minus 3. Therefore 5x plus 8y is equal to c is the equation. Therefore 5 into 4 plus 8 into minus 3 is equal to c. Therefore 20 minus 24 is equal to c, and therefore c is equal to minus 4. Now we'll see the equation of a line in slope point form. Here the line is having the slope m and it is passing through the point A, that is x1, y1. And therefore the required equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Now the next equation is equation of a line in two-point form. Here A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2 are the given points. Let P, x, y be any other point on the same line AB. So the equation is x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2. Now the equation of a line in double intercept form. Here, x-intercept on a line is the x-coordinate of the point of intersection of line with x-axis, and y-intercept of a line is the y-coordinate of the point of intersection of line with y-axis. And therefore, the equation is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. That means x upon x-intercept plus y upon y-intercept is equal to 1. So the question is, write the slope of the given line. The line is 3 into bracket x plus 3 is equal to y minus 1. Therefore, 3x plus 9 is equal to y minus 1. Therefore, 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 minus 9. Therefore, 3x minus y is equal to minus 10. Therefore, y is equal to 3x plus 10. Now the standard form is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope, and therefore here slope is equal to 3. The next question. Write the equation of the line passing through point P and having slope m. Here P is 3, 5 and m is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5 and m is equal to 2. Now the standard form, y is equal to mx plus c. Therefore, 5 is equal to 2 into 3 plus c. Therefore, 5 is equal to 6 plus c. Therefore, 5 minus 6 is equal to c and c is equal to minus 1. And therefore, the equation is y is equal to 2x minus 1. Next question. 2 points of a line are given. Write the equation of the line. The points are A minus 3, 4 and B 4, 5. So, A minus 3, 4 means x1, y1 and B 4, 5 means x2, y2. The equation is x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2. Therefore, x minus minus 3 upon minus 3 minus 4 is equal to y minus 4 upon 4 minus 5. Therefore, x plus 3 upon minus 7 is equal to y minus 4 upon minus 1. Therefore, minus x minus 3 is equal to minus 7y plus 28. Therefore, minus x minus 3 plus 7y minus 28 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus x plus 7y minus 31 is equal to 0, and therefore x minus 7y plus 31 is equal to 0. Now after this we'll see the general equation of the line, which is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a, b, c belongs to R and a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. If you want to find the slope and y-intercept of this line, then slope m is equal to minus a upon b, y-intercept is equal to minus c upon b, x-intercept is equal to minus c upon a. So, to find x-intercept, we'll put y is equal to 0, and for finding y-intercept, we'll put x is equal to 0 in the given equation. Now next is about the coordinates of midpoints. If x1, y1 and x2, y2 are 2 points, then the coordinates of the midpoint are x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now the question, write the equation of the line in double intercept form and write x-intercept and y-intercept. The equation is 4x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. The equation is x upon x-intercept plus y upon y-intercept is equal to 1. So x-intercept means minus c upon a, that is minus 7 upon 4, that is equal to 7 upon 4. And y-intercept means minus c upon b, that is equal to minus of minus 7 upon minus 1, that is equal to minus 7. And therefore x upon 7 upon 4 plus y upon minus 7 is equal to 1. Now the question: find the equation of the line passing through minus 3 minus 5 and parallel to x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. And therefore slope of the line is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, that is equal to minus 1 upon minus 2, that is equal to 1 upon 2. The required line is parallel to x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0, and we know that the parallel lines have equal slopes, and therefore the slope of the required line is equal to 1 upon 2, and point minus 3 minus 5 lies on this line. So we use point slope form of equation, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Therefore y minus minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 x minus minus 5. Therefore y plus 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 x plus 5. Therefore 2y plus 6 is equal to x plus 5. Therefore x plus 5 minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the equation of the required line.